Okay, so you can see the damage on the Mavic Pro drone here. Basically the two front propellers right there, and a little chip on the edge of the front of the Mavic there above the left sensor. And then back in the propeller cage, we've got blown out a piece right there. And over here, a chunk out of the propeller guard there. And the other propeller got chunked away, so got off lucky. We'll be able to replace the front propellers and probably order up a new propeller guard. And well, moral of the story is don't play dumb and stupid with your Mavic Pro.